Today's lesson is Module 4, Lesson 6, Order of Operations. In this lesson, we're reminding ourselves that we need to remember PEMDAS. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, which are these two funny little brackets here, exponents, which is what we just solved for yesterday, or we just learned yesterday, so it's the little number up here in the corner, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. I want you to think of this as a checkoff list. You start up at parentheses and you work your way down all the way to subtraction in a math problem. So on the side you might want to write, think of these, or think of this as a checkoff list. So we're going to work through a couple examples with this now. I'm going to zoom out so you can see PEMDAS and the problem at the same time. Alright, so we have 5 minus 2 squared divided by 2 or plus 7. And we have to solve for the problem. So we're going to go through our PEMDAS and just work our way through it. The first thing is you have to ask yourself, do I have any parentheses? In this problem, I do not. So I'm going to skip down and go to exponents. I need to solve for all the exponents here. In this case, I have 2 squared. 2 squared means 2 times 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. And I'm just going to bring everything else down. After exponents is multiplication. Looking at my math problem, I do not have any multiplication, so I am moving on to now division. So I have a division problem right here. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And bring the rest of the numbers down. Numbers and symbols, sorry. Now I have addition. Okay, so I have my adding here. So 2 plus 7 equals 9. Bring down the minus sign and the 5. And so I have 5 minus 9. So I'm going to go 5, and I'm going to take away 9, which means because 5 is a smaller number than 9, I'm going to end up with a negative number. So I'm going to count backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Okay? Now here's a word problem where you would use PEMDAS. A family of 6, is going to the movies. Each tickets are $10 each. Dad wants to buy popcorn that is $7. How would you write this expression and solve? So there's multiple things you need to figure out in this problem before you can solve it. I first need to know I have 6 people, but each person costs $10 to get into the movie. So to solve how much it would cost to go to the movies, it would be 6 times 10. This represents how many people are going times how much it is for each person to go to the movies. And then there's an additional cost of $7. Only Dad wants popcorn, so it would be plus 7 because there's only one person buying it. Now, use PEMDAS to solve. There are no parentheses, there is no exponents, so we're going to go straight to multiplication. 6 times 10 is 60, so we have $60 plus $7. I have no division, I have addition now, so 60 plus 7 equals $67. And I don't have any subtraction, so our problem is over. That's it for this lesson. If you have any questions, you can private message me or write it down on your notes, and we'll talk about it tomorrow. Have a good night.